What's your name?
My name is Anjali Kumari.
Anjali Kumari. Okay, take it. Tell me about yourself.
Good morning to all of my teachers and my dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank you to give me this golden opportunity to introduce myself in front of you, and it's my pleasure. My name is Anjali Kumari. I am just 22 years old. I am basically belongs to Arwal and currently living in Patna. I have complete my graduation from BN College in 2015. I did my matric from Devidal High School in 2015, and I have passed my intermediate from the Sri Arvind Mahila College in 2017. My hobbies are cooking, teaching, reading, and solve maths. My short-term goal is to get any type of job, and my long-term goal is to crack UPSC. I am self-motivated, hardworking, and disciplined person. Now I want to tell something about my family. I belong to a nuclear family, and my father's name is Sunil Kumar. He does a private job, and my mother's name is Sanju Devi. She is an housewife. I have two brothers, Satyam and Shivam. That's enough about me. Thank you.
Very good. Thank you. Okay, the next candidate. Who is the next candidate for